Sue Higgins Park lies along the banks of the Bow River in southeast Calgary and is home to the largest fenced-off leash area in Calgary. The park encompasses over 63 hectares and allows access to the Bow River so that our furry friends can take a dip on hot summer days. At the end of the video, I will provide maps on how to get to this park and also where to park if it does get very busy. For now, let's enjoy watching these dogs enjoy the Bow River. Go. Come on.
Roy.
Hey.
That is not acceptable behavior.
The park is well connected with hiking and walking trails. This is the main parking lot, but it does get full easily. You can also park along this street if the lot is full. Thank you for watching and have a great day.